Hey YouTube, it's been a little while since I've posted a video. I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving and a happy Merry Christmas. I'm going to quickly show how you do a boot system. As everyone can see, I actually run two different hard drives on my desktop. One is a 100 GB hard drive. I use this one mainly for testing, playing around, nothing really important. Although if you had another operating system, let's say you ran 10.10 on this one and 10.10 on this one, the great benefit of doing that is on this hard drive you can go like this, home, Linden, a desktop, and you can grab the file and drop it in and voila, you just backed up that file. You could also come in here, just grab and drop everything right there and drag it in and be done deal. So that's a benefit. Here's my file system and voila. Moving on from that, each one of these have a different operation. So how can you choose which one to boot into easily? Well, you do it like this. You just come to terminal on your Windows, on your Ubuntu, and this will work if you're using a Windows boot sector as well. Update grub, grub. Make sure you get that center dash. I've made a few mistakes doing this kind of thing and it won't work, so make sure you pop in that dash. And it's just sudo, super user do update grub. Nothing really complicated. And you'll hit enter. It's gonna, well, it normally asks for your password. I guess my password key is still good, and it's just gonna go through a little thing on right here. I had also opened up my VirtualBox and started up my Linux Mint to be exact. And we'll take a look at the two different boot images, so you can take a look at what's going on. You see, you got one image up here that has several backups. The reason why it has several backups is because this is the one I use the most. This is the secondary hard drive or slave. That is going to be the 100 GB hard drive. Over here, we can see right after the memory test, there is no other drive after that. So this is basically saying that we got one drive here and one drive here. The memory test is somewhat like it's on its own partition, so it kind of shows up separately from these two other drives. As you can see here on Linux Mint, it's the exact same thing with the exact same command. Up here, I actually made the mistake of doing sudo update without the dash grub, and that was also part, so you guys can see, what would happen if it comes up as command not found. That's the two different differences, and it's real simple doing an upgrade, a dual boot system on Linux. Doesn't matter if you're using Linux, Windows 7, or whatever. It works just about the same. You can just pop in another hard drive. You don't have to worry about splitting your hard drive, setting up another partition, and doing all that, because you can take a chance at messing up, especially if you don't know exactly what you're doing. I like to use two different hard drives because I find it to be a little bit safer. Anyway, I hope this video was very informative and was able to help you out. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a good day.